Aggrieved SSA and Ramsar teachers carry out human chain protests in front of ZDO office in Porompat today, demanding their 6-month pending salary. And Imphal East District Commander arrests prime suspect in July 11, 2019 murder case of Henjang village chief and his nephew. Hello, welcome to Pack News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangcham, bringing you the top stories. Aggrieved Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA and Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan Ramsar teachers carried out human chain protests in front of the ZDO office in Porompat today, demanding their 6-month pending salary. Speaking to media, President of SSA Zone 2, Thiam Randhir, demanded immediate release of the teachers' due salary. He condemned the government for not taking immediate measures to relieve their plights. Thiam Randhir warned the government that the teachers will intensify their agitation and even cease work if their demand is not fulfilled at the earliest.
Taruk hena tolop pibidana leiba se akhoi bhara phawa leitana school ge chalaga angang sing tungi yumbiran sing ge semjana bo hona bada kangra bo si de taruk tolop phang bai se akhoi angang sing sembi badana tana akhoi ge su family pali yum kai loimak leijari ba ngatani akhoi ge matung lauhibana contract lauhiba ngaina regular oina taba ngamkhraga tahan khraga akhoi ge regular oina lauhiba akhoi ge na regular ki full right legitimate rights in the PB sikari geno masi government ki side gi athu boda mijeng changbiu natri bawodi until and unless ekhoi permanent solution hek purak tri bawodi ekhoi khongjang ase siswag strike se lep leitana sanction jakhni.
Imphal East District Commander was nabbed the prime suspect in the murder of Henjang village chief T. Kipjin and his nephew T.H. Haukip on July 11, 2019. The suspect is identified as 39 years old chief of B. Gamnom village in Kangpokpi district, Pautinthang Kipgin, son of Henthang Kipgin. Commando team led by additional SP operations Imphal East T.H. Krishna Tombi and additional SP Thangkochon Haukip arrested accused from Laimakong Chingmang crossing at around 4 p.m. yesterday. Speaking to media at Imphal East SP office today, SP Haubijam Jogesh Chandra said investigations have revealed that Pautinthang Kipgen hired proscribed KLA cadres from KLA Gamnum Peace Camp at Saiko to kill them. He said further investigation also revealed that KLA cadres had handed over 1 M16 assault rifle, 3 AK rifle and 4 KLA cadres to Pautinthang to carry out the task. SP Jogesh Chandra declared that all the miscreants involved in the murder case will be arrested soon and they will be punished under the law.
KLA cadres Gamnum Peace Camp the labor singers when a request or Gamoin Niaga was a king of Sagi, Muani Hapkibasi, Madu, Werame, Amasung, KLA cadres in Kulamiam to supply Toroga. Incident to light Adam among the Koimu and Henjang Kundusiki do, Madu involved over sing and Wakano Senava sing and Kanakana, the Loinama, Mazasina, as I Parabaya, Marueba, Mianacus or Pautin a the Loinama. Madugi langlanan jin khama me adur mahak phab si khoi gi twin murder case ta yam na maroi ba mioi ma khoi gi district police na kuina lep to bi thibagi chathari bi policy adugi adung ka no mani hainai lojage aduga masi khoi makhata na case si da general mi khudi ma loina ma khoi ngamna ba honaraga phagi gani amasung masi investigation se matik chaba mi anisibo hat pa general sing do matik chaba dandi bi gini ha si district police tagi masim tang thamjage. Thank you.
Crossfire between police and suspected drug traffickers killed a man yesterday. The deceased is 22 years old Mohammad Shajid, son of Mohammad Azad from Lilong Usoipokpi, Mairel Kul, Makata Thabi, Laikai under Lilong Police Station in Taupal district. According to Impact News sources, the incident occurred at around 6:30 last evening. A combined team of Lilong Police personnel and volunteers of all Lilong Anti-Drug Association, Alada reportedly carried out an anti-drug drive at the residence of 30 years old Mohammad Thembung, son of Mohammad Rokshan Ali from Lilong Usoipokpi, Mairelkul, Makata Thabi Laikai, which led to intense scuffles between the police team and the miscreants. Residents of the locality thronged the area to witness the commotion when a sudden gunshot hit Mohammad Sajid, who was a bystander. Speaking to media, Secretary of the locality organization Mohammad Qayyum lamented over the unfortunate incident. He urged authorities concerned to book the culprits involved in the incident at the earliest.
Any pataba Tabu ama Tinganabagi sanction ba police department or organization sanction ba matamda nungtinda sangbiduna search operation to binabasu ay Maryland authority da haijari adu loina na ngasi thoiba thodok asigi achumba chapcha na asumba adu Manipur sarkar na lenga thidok biduna chapcha ba maran matungina dandi pibinabasu ngasi gi ekoi club ki general secretary amoina amadi lekai sigi parja amoina press media gi thongda samjai
adagi mi hatliba mi sigi mari mata khongun chu maram chana thibiu ma bu hatlib si karamba maram gino kari maran gino angang sigi kari maran leibono haibasi thigat piro aina ekhoi haijaningi sp da su thanga chaningi ado ma ki maran simadi ma bu hatliba mi si tasengna na kari ke hatpano kana na hatpano haibasi simadi ekhoi tasengna na khangningi hatliba mi si.
National Institute of Technology Manipur Longo has also joined nationwide Swachhta Pakhwara 2020, which began yesterday. On the second day of the campaign today, teachers and students of NIT Manipur planted various saplings at the institute campus. NIT Manipur Registrar in charge Professor Khumanthe Manglem, Institute Assistant Professor cum Campaign Coordinator Ngangbam Romenji took part in a tree plantation drive. Speaking to media, Ngangbam Romeji said students and staffs of NIT Manipur took Swachhta pledge on the first day yesterday. He said the institute will carry out Swachhta Pakhwara and Jal Shakti Abhiyan campaign fully till January 31st. The campaign coordinator also said saplings will be planted around the institute and they will also raise awareness on saving the environment in the wake of drastic climate change facing the world.
Police government takpirak pada koi high carbon dioxide absorption rate level wami yaktani hai makhata na baham chan koi campus thana ba koi hona jagane makhata na subok wami yankhai dati chama chani adum thangam na ba koi gi hojiki global climate change ga koi combat tangam na ba koi somda su yengsin jaraga koi kan hona jari wami je thajalamaga amu hingna ba su hona na ba koi mali staff khar lei koi na instruction bijaraga chan na kai na cha dana ba ising wajing phana phangna ba khona ba su koi hanu hat na ba su koi hona jagani adiga to ba koi ba su koi campus bang da sana ta ba to ba su awareness create tawraga mayamda koi hojik sohram koi pollution mayam laiba inga sagi variation mayam laiba si combat ka tawgam na ba koi yeng climate change koi khara thengna ba ngam na ba masi panam da koi basi pangthok sabani.
Social worker of Kishamthong constituency Elangbam Johnson has pointed out that varying charges are being collected from consumers for the new water pipelines under State Public Health Department. He has also demanded to return to consumers any extra collection of money at the earliest. Speaking to media at his residence in Kishamthong this morning, Elangbam Johnson demanded clarification from the authority concerned on why different charges are being collected for laying the new water pipelines. He opined that the department should fix a rate for the consumers to avoid any misappropriation. He also appealed to the government to provide a allotted quota of rice grains under National Food Security Act for beneficiaries of Kishamthong constituency.
Genuinely authorized connection nama tawu matam siri sumnagi lupa lising amaga chama khaktane adubu akoi maroina akoi hoji elangom lekai akoi area sing siri anauba mapunsigi toti pusindriba misu akoi hoji lupa lising hongi fine che koi thiri adu aina department gi mising da hangma matam da DCD thibam thokte na hai adu kari gi lori no je koi khangde adubu tatkal gi ngasagi unauthorized keno sing asi authorized on badal lupa lising lawi hai dudi cabinet decision ama lei haidana adugi amount to the fix or galabin and the kasu kaidre at the hanging off from the kaino haimatam da sigumba haidi information later ade kudesu kanamta namasi khangdusu prajasin khangdaba sigumba sing as a karigino carmento lori but not genuine authorized connection sing as you go mind to pesa lori no haibesi amthing clarification nama marilin about authority to hanjaninge.
A blood donation camp was held at CJ Hospital in Longo to mark the 100th birth anniversary of the renowned theatre personality and Padma Shri awardee late Haishnam Kanhailal today. More than 40 volunteers donated blood at the camp organized by Kalakshetra Manipur along with Siege Blood Bank and Transfusion Services, held village Longo. Speaking on the sidelines, Director of Kala Kshetra Manipur Haisnam Tomba said theatre and art enthusiasts of the state still fondly remember late Kanhailal and all his invaluable contributions in the field of theatre. He said artists of Kala Kshetra Manipur have volunteered to donate blood as a tribute to the late theatre guru.
Maru oina akoina blood haibasi miyoiba amaga akoina kala toba artist amo ina akoina blood haibasi yaudra doctor gi medical line da su ade khoi miyoiba gi blood circulation bu ero blood haibasi gi magi meaning si masigi art si akoina as a artist amo ina su hotnari bani sugumba yamna duki matik chawraba I madan tobungamba aigi masi muk chawba kenu si leitaba tasengna miyoiba haibasi health ki kadi gi ngamaktraba matam da blood haibasi tangai phadana maru oirakpanina yamna su common oibanina masigi donation amsingtang pangthuk charagadi koi handaki birth anniversary gi tarik tara taret golden jubilee celebration gi motto ase khoina masigi give and take haigadra masigi miyoi bigi keno kaloina na blood donation ase pangthuk chabani.
On a note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on India's successful launch of high-power communications satellite GSAT-30 today. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Afternoon News. India's high-power communications satellite GSAT-30 was successfully launched on board Ariane 5 rocket from France Guyana early this morning. Indian Space Research Organization ISRO said the GSAT-30 is aimed at providing high-quality television, telecommunications and broadcasting services. The 3,357 kg GSAT-30 derives its heritage from ISRO's earlier INSAT or GSAT satellite series and is equipped with 12C and 12 Ku band transporters. GSAT-30 will serve as a replacement to the aging INSAT-4A spacecraft services with enhanced coverage. ISRO said the satellite would provide Indian mainland and islands coverage in Ku band and extended coverage in C band, covering Gulf countries, a large number of Asian countries and Australia. With a mission life of 15 years, GSAT-30 is an operational communication satellite for DTH, television uplink and VSAT services. ISRO said the communication payload of GSAT-30 is specifically designed and optimized to maximize the number of transponders on the spacecraft bus. According to the space agency, the spacecraft will be extensively used for supporting VSAT network, television uplinking and teleport services, digital satellite news gathering, DSNG, DTH television services, cellular backhaul connectivity and many such applications. And now the sports news. Mumbai City FC will lock horns with Bengaluru FC in a match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-2020 at Mumbai's Football Arena tonight at 7:30. In yesterday's league match played at Chennai's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Chennai in FC defeated Northeast United FC 2-0. For the winners, Rafael Crivellaro and Nerizis Valsky scored 1 goal each at 57th and 59th minute of the match. Gymnasts representing Manipur in the 55th Junior Artistic Gymnastics National Championship men and women have been selected. The championship will be held at National Sports Academy of Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh from January 29 till February 1st. Selected male gymnasts are K.H. Arjun, Ahibam Nelbin and Chandam Bijes, while the selected female gymnasts are M. Bibiana, Pame Nisha Show and Huirem Jessica. 4 other gymnasts have also been selected for the upcoming selection trials on February 2nd to form the Indian team to take part in a 9th FIG Aerobic Gymnastic World Age Group competition. And in swimming and tennis will start today at the 3rd Khelo India Youth Games in Guwahati. Total 14 gold medals will be decided in swimming. Many more will come from shooting, weightlifting and wrestling. On Day 7 yesterday, Maharashtra maintained a grip on top sport with total 128 medals, followed by Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and Kerala. Khelo India Youth Games successfully fulfilling their motto to promote grassroots sports talent of country. A farmer's son, Maharashtra Mukud, won his won their first gold in weightlifting. His father Santosh told AIR that in last games, Mukund finished at 5th place, and after getting Khelo India scholarship, he was able to win medal this time. Maharashtra weightlifting coach Praveen said due to Khelo India scholarship, youth of villages are performing very well. Khelo India Games is a big platform for budding players of country, and they are exploring it very well. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Aggrieved SSA and Ramsar teachers carry out human chain protest in front of ZEO office in Borompa today, demanding their 6-month pending salary. And Imphal District Commander arrests prime suspect in July 11, 2019 murder case of Henjang village chief and his nephew.